Hello friends, welcome to Daffodil's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a delicious butter chicken. The ingredients are onions, kasuri methi, green chilies, sugar, garam masala, yogurt, butter, cumin seeds, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, salt, tomato ketchup, fresh cream, chicken, tomato and ginger garlic paste. Now slice the onions. Tomatoes. Now marinate the chicken. Ginger garlic paste, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder. Marinate for half an hour. Now, shallow fry the chicken. Just a shallow fry, not a deep fry. Now it is ready. I have used the same oil used for frying the chicken. Add cumin seeds. Add onions. Saute for 2 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 minutes. Add green chili, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, yogurt, kasuri methi. Saute for 2 minutes. Add tomatoes. Saute for 2 minutes. Cool and blend in mixer. Add butter. Add blended puree. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, tomato ketchup, some water. Saute for a few minutes. Add chicken. Cook for 20 minutes. Add garam masala. Now it is ready. Add fresh cream. Now it is ready to serve. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.